bawat process, di ba kanina sir, from the raw materials to each and every process, may mga testing tayong ginagawa. At nabanggit nyo, even the operators, di ba, sila yung mga nagtitest. So, hindi lang pala yung mga quality assurance engineers natin ang marunong mag-test. So, even our operators are trained to check kung anong proseso to ay dapat compliant siya sa ganitong standards and measures.
That is why ang aming operators, yan yung they really build the quality into our products. At garantisado nila yan na yung kanilang produce ay talagang in compliance with the requirement of the standard.
High quality.
Meron tayong nakuha na 45 years na installation. In fact,
PW pa siya.
PW ito. So, kinuha natin yan, tinestay natin sa laboratory, at it turned out na yung kanyang mga physical, mechanical, chemical characteristic.
Pasado pa lahat.
Even the color of the copper is still there. Talagang
shiny pa.
Shiny. Yes, at nung tinesting namin, talaga namang parang good as brand new pa siya. And I can guarantee na yung wire na yon, kung pwede pa uling mag-last ng another 45 years.
45 years, wow! Kaya naman pala tinatawag ng Phelps Dodge is one-time investment, lifetime protection talaga.
Remember that yun ang aming dito sa Phelps Dodge na a one-time investment, lifetime protection. Kasi bakit mo naman titipidin na yung pagka-install mo yan, it will last for life na talaga yan eh. So, kumaga, huwag mo nang gaanong titipid pagdating doon sa wire kasi para yung iyong pagtulog at saka yung may-ari talagang mahindi yung anong tulog.
Garantisado pati pagtulog mo.
Yes.